everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Prakshi and I have recently cracked NEET 2026 with an All India rank of 1978 and a score of 643 marks alongside with my boards. So in this channel I will be sharing कुछ ऐसी बातें which I wish someone would have told me during my journey. So without wasting time, let's begin. Through my Instagram handle which is Prakshi_Medico, some of you have been asking me few questions and the main question is how to cover your backlog. In this video, I will be answering the same question and I have written all the points so I do not miss a single point. First, I would like to tell you that backlog is like a loop. Your current topic, today's current topic would become a backlog for tomorrow. Do not run behind completing your backlog at the cost of compromising your current topics. You have to balance both, completing your previous backlogs and go with the flow of your current topics. First of all, make a list of the topics which you have not covered. For example, center of mass, rotational motion or organic chemistry which you have not covered. तो हम कुछ काम करने के लिए हमें पता भी तो होना चाहिए कि हमें क्या काम करना है, किस पे काम करना है. अगर हमें पता ही नहीं होगा कि हमें क्या पॉइंट्स हमें नहीं आते, क्या करना है, तो हम कैसे सबसे पहले शुरुआत करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप टू बिगिन इज़ टू नो व्हाट वी हैव टू learn, what we have to study. First you have to make list and then plan accordingly with your current topics. You do not have to compromise your current study to cover your backlog. Then your current study will become your backlog. So you have to make a plan accordingly. For example, in a day you can take out 60 to 90 minutes from your daily schedule without affecting your current study. Prioritize to study the connecting topics. For example, without studying class 11th organic chemistry, you can't study class 12th organic chemistry. So if your class 11th organic chemistry is a backlog, then first complete class 11th organic chemistry and then go for class 12th organic chemistry. In the same way, for example, in physics class 12, if you do not start from chapter number 1, you won't be able to understand chapter number 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you have to start from the series, like from chapter number first do chapter number 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Do not start in between like कि मेरा चैप्टर नंबर 3 कर देते हैं क्योंकि टेस्ट में चैप्टर नंबर 3 आ रहा है, चैप्टर नंबर 1 2 नहीं है. इफ़ यू डू चैप्टर नंबर 3 यू वोंट गेट योर कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर. You have to study chapter number 1 and 2 and then only you would be able to understand chapter number 3 clearly conceptually. So for completing your backlogs, first point is to make a list of your backlogs. Second point is to make a plan. Third point, the most important point, is to amend that plan. And the fourth point is to keep a check on your plan. How to keep check? Make a checklist of the topics and then you can tick how many times you have revised. If you have read NCERT, tick in front of your NCERT topic. I would be sharing in my community post how you can make a planner, so you can visit that for your understanding. Then when you tick the topics, you get motivation, you get a boost of dopamine and you feel good and you would be like मैं कर सकता हूँ या मैं कर सकती हूँ. And at last, I would like to say, don't focus on completing everything today. Your aim should be from where you were yesterday, you are better today. For more such videos regarding NEET preparation, college blogs and some dance and masti, please subscribe to this channel.